is the U.S. General Tool Cart from Power Stroke Jude's channel. Huge shout out to Power Stroke Jude for letting me be a part of this. So here's my roll cart when it first got into the shop. Now you'll see how it's evolved. Scrapers, some things up top, mechanics time saver, my Ulsa tool trays, the magnetic ones, Harbor Freight one, some plier racks. Yeah, moving down, you'll see the Toolganizer wrench holder here. You'll see some little miscellaneous axle things and tie rod adjusters, ball joint separator. The second little thin drawer is all my testing equipment for like regular cars, brake hubs, stuff like that. Top drawer is miscellaneous, picks, cutters, discs, roll locks. Here you'll see axle nuts, serpentine belt puller, oil filter, hammers, some of my electrical stuff. This is obviously before we stocked up. Now you'll see where I pulled everything out that we took to the track, and it's going to be a lot more intense. The old astronomic tire gauge, full pliers, gear wrench, impact, 1/4 inch, Capri chrome 3/8, my Milwaukee drawer. As you can see, we definitely beat those up real bad. More testing equipment. As you can see, this drawer is now fully loaded. Capri double box end wrenches, and then we have the Capri wave drive bolt extractor wrenches in there. The TEQ flare nut wrenches were briefly over on the side there. Then some O2 sockets. And moving down, yes, we have the temperature gauge, and that would be about it. So, thanks for watching.